Okay, so I'll assume you did the three in the top row on the back of your notes. Let's go over them. Y equals mx plus b. I'm comparing that generic slope-intercept form to my specific equation, and I can see right away that b is positive 1. So my line intersects the y-axis at positive 1. My slope is 4. M is 4, which when I represent that as a change in y over change in x, I'm going to write as the ratio 4 over 1, because 4 to 1 is 4. And so from here I'm going to move up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 for delta y of positive 4, and right 1 for delta x of positive 1. And your line will look better than mine because you can use a straight edge. So that's the line. This one, same thing. Y equals mx plus b. Here we begin with the y-intercept. Here b is negative 2, because subtracting 2 is the same as adding negative 2. And since slope-intercept form says plus b, we need to know what we're adding, not what we're subtracting. So b is negative 2, which means the line crosses the y-axis at negative 2. The slope m is negative 1/2, the coefficient of the variable term. So when we represent that as delta y over delta x, we've got two choices. But I'm always just going to make the delta y the negative and the delta x the positive. Unless I don't have room on my graph, then I'd go the other way. You might run into that problem at some point. So delta y is negative 1. I'm going to go down 1. And then from there, delta x is positive 2. So I'm going to go 2 to the right. And you could actually keep applying that. Down 1, 2 to the right. Up 1, 2 to the left. It's all a slope of negative 1/2. And so the line should look like this. Y equals mx plus b. Subtracting 1 is adding negative 1. So we begin with the y-intercept, which is negative 1. M for this specific line is negative 2. So my delta y over delta x should be negative 2 over 1. Negative 2 divided by 1 is negative 2. I'm just representing it as a ratio, so I can apply the slope by moving down 2 for y and right 1 for x. Down 2, right 1. Had I gone up 2, I would need to go left 1. And so here's the line. Do the next 3 on your own, and then check your work with the video.